Hi guys, my name is Belinda and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making this beautiful wig with crochet needle and yes, with braiding hair. So let's get right into this video. So we are going to need a hair net. I got this net in white color and then I used my foundation to paint it into brown. And of course we are going to need braiding hair. I used 1.5 of this braiding hair because I was going for the shorter length. But if you're going for the longer length of the wig, you're going to need maybe 2 to 3 packs of the braiding hair, depending on the length you're going for. And the next thing you'll be doing is to sew down the net to the wig cap. To make this process more easier, just get some push pins, pin the net down to your wig cap and the mannequin head, so you'll be able to sew it without it shifting from one place to the other. And when you're sewing it, you make sure that each stitch is very close to the previous one, so that by the time you cut the excess cap underneath this net, when you cut it off, it does not lose. That's the essence of us sewing each stitch close to the previous one. And when you're done sewing it, it should look like this. So guys, the next thing you want to do is to remove your push pins, remove the cap from the mannequin head and turn it inside out. So you see this part of the wig cap that is underneath this net that we've sewn on it, we're going to cut it off. This is going to make the wig have a very natural look. So now I'm just going to allow you enjoy the background music and I'll be back in a bit. As I was installing the braiding hair, I realized that my wig cap was very light and fragile. So I just went ahead and doubled it to make it a little thicker. So guys, when you want to make yours, I would recommend that you get the thicker wig cap instead. It's going to make your job a lot easier. So now I'm just going to keep installing the hair all through the black part of the wig cap, and when I get to the net part that we sew on at the front, I'm going to change my crochet needle to the tiny one, and then I'm going to be grabbing the hair about 3 to 5 strands at a time. In order for this part to be beautiful, do not skip any part of this hole. Make sure you install on every single hole on this net. That's how you're going to get a very beautiful closure at the end of the day. So when I'm done, it's going to look like this. I just did simple style on it, like 3 weaves going back, 2 coming on each side, and I left some baby hair. And I'm going to let you see what it looks like from behind. This is what it's looking like from behind. So I'm going to put it on now so you see how it looks on me. So guys, this is what it looks on me and I'm loving it, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this extent, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you learned something from it, and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.